Hey everyone, Marcus here again with another workflow. In this workflow I'm gonna introduce the Deepgram module. So Deepgram is a service that can basically take an audio file and transcribe it for you in text. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna set up so we can summarize a MP3 file, basically what's being said in an MP3 file. As usual, what you see in front of you is Drupal with the AI interpolator modules installed. Everything is open source, everything is free. You're free to use it after you have looked at this. In the future, there's gonna be in the video description some links to videos that will show you how to set up Drupal as well. So off we go. We start by logging in. And we're just gonna create an entity type for this. As always, it doesn't have to be nodes. Usually you work with custom entities, but in this case we just do it so I can showcase everything over the GUI. What do we call it? Summary of audio file. And we just save this. We don't need the body field that comes with Drupal by default. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create a file field. That is the audio, right? So we're gonna upload an audio file into there. It's just gonna be one. You could do multiple and it would create multiple text fields, of course. Only allowed MP3. You can do WAV files as well. You can do AAC files as well, but in this case we take MP3s. And then we're gonna just add a text plain long that we call transcription. So this is where the transcription will end up after we have uploaded, right? And for this to happen, I have to enable the AI interpolator and choose the rule Deepgram transcribe. And we base this on the audio, right? I'm gonna set up so it's running in batch mode and save. So now it's gonna take that audio and transcribe it to this field, but we want to take it one more step. We want to summarize it, right? So we create another text long that we call summary. And that should just be one field as well. Once again, enable the AI interpolator, choose the OpenAI string long. So we're gonna take a text field and do a prompt on how to create another text field, right? And we're basing this on the transcription. So based on the transcription, create a 2-sentence summary of what the person talking about, what the person talking is thinking. So what I'm gonna use is MP3 that comes from Damian Lewis talking about Ask King Lear, basically. So anyway, we need to set the context. So the transcription and the context then comes from transcription here, right? From that field. And here it's important that we first of all do batch mode, but we also set the higher interpolation weight. So the transcription has to exist before we do the summary, right? And that's it. Then we just add a content that's called summary of audio file. I have to give a title here, and then we're just gonna take this here. Oh, it's from Julius Caesar, sorry. So that's what we're gonna do, and this is then gonna fill in first transcription with what Damian Lewis is saying in this piece, and then a summary basically of what he said. So we click save, and first it uploads, creates a transcribe, and then it's summary. So we have here transcriptions from what he's saying, right? And then a summary. the person thinking about the funeral Caesar and the conflicting opinions of his ambition. And that's basically it. It's very, very simple, but opens up a lot of possibilities where you can not just upload MP3 files, because of course if you're on web you can of course allow the person to speak into the microphone, for instance. So if you want to make one of these startups that I have seen that, you know, summarizes your ideas from talking, you could do it with this. So that's it. Thank you.